So here's a PEMDAS question that tends to throw people off. This is what they see. They see a 7 minus 5, and they see another 7 minus 5, and they think, oh, that's a 2, and that's a 2, and then I multiply. Okay, so that's where people go wrong. The answer is not 4, okay? So check it out. Here we go. So remember, for PEMDAS or BEDMAS, BODMAS, whatever you want to do, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, and then add, subtract. So in this case here, you do want to start with parentheses first. So first thing we're going to do, and this is one of those ones because there's multiple ones and it looks confusing, slow down. Okay, start with parentheses first. Here we go. So now we have a 7 minus 5. That's staying because the only thing we're changing are what's inside the parentheses. So 7 minus 5, that's a 2. Okay, now real quick, and this is why sometimes I call it BEDMAS or GEMDAS, is because grouping symbols. So this parentheses here around the 2 is not a grouping symbol parentheses. This is now a multiplication parentheses there. Okay, so we're done with grouping symbol parentheses. There are no exponents. So now we're on multiply divide, one step, and it's left to right. Okay, now in this one here, there's only one multiply divide, and it's the 5 and the 2, or the negative 5 and the 2, because we want to make sure that that minus stays with the 5. Okay, so you can look at it as a minus 5 times 2, or a 7, and then plus or minus negative 5 times 2. Okay, so again, another way of looking at it would be 7 plus, and then that's a negative 5 times 2. Just another way of looking at it. Okay, so either way, we got a 5 times 2 or a negative 5 times 2, 7 minus 10. Okay, so now we're at 7 minus 10. Now, for this one here, anytime you get tripped up with positives and negatives, oh, we're done with multiply divide. So now we're on add subtract from left to right, and there's only one of them. So with adding, subtracting, positives and negatives, think money. So in this case here, you have $7 and you have to pay $10. Well, you don't have enough money to pay it all the way off. So we know at the end of this question, the answer is going to be a negative. And then, so you have 7, you owe 10, so you're going to pay $7 because that's what you have. So whoever you owe the money to is going to take $7 off of the $10 that you pay. In other words, subtract. So 7 and 10 subtracted is going to make a 3. And we know the answer is negative because you owe more than what you have. So if you like this type of thing, please do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. If you disliked it, make sure and hit that thumbs up button twice just to make sure.